L-Wine Racing Engines 395 cubic inch LT1. This is number 117 in my build series. Voice over narration, part 2 of this engine build. Part 1 was, I guess, follow the link in the description below. So I'm just going to narrate. Right here I'm filing the rings. These are the Molly 1mm rings. I think that's the top ring there. It's going to gap to, the target is 20 thou. That BHJ bore gauge there is one of my most favorite tools. I double check that it gaps the same. I put the ring in the bore and make sure it gaps the same or close. So this is gap for, or the 20 thou, first ring, second ring, that is for a hot street motor. No nitrous, no turbo, no forced induction. And yeah, look at all that yellow rag fuzz on the top of the block. That'll get blown off and cleaned off as much as possible. And my ring filing tool, I really like that tool. Here, the feeler gauge in between the rods there, that's a 23 thou. That is measurement for the side clearance, but it also, I leave that feeler gauge in there to brace the rods when I torque them. The torque wrench is set to 75 foot-pounds. All right, all the rods torqued, rods and pistons are all in. And here I'm measuring how far each piston is in the hole. When you do, like say, piston number 5 there, you can go over and do piston number 8. And when number 1's at top, you can go do number 6. So anyway, they were 0.012 in the hole and 0.013, so give or take. Thankfully, they were nice and even. You don't want to see like 10 thou on one side and 8 thou on the other corner. The closer the better. That proves that you have a squared block. All right, that's the end of my cam degree check. Turned out it ended up being right on the money with the timing set, dot to dot on the 108.5 intake center line. All right, stay tuned. There's going to be more to this, more videos when I put the cylinder heads on, the valve train. Then there's going to be engine dyno to prove the motor, to get the ring seated, and AFR heads are going on, so that should make some good power. This is Carl L-Wine Engines. Take care.